Okay, tank view. Alright, where I can put the camera right here. Yep. Alright, so yeah. Okay, so Alright, so the tank. Oh my gosh. I don't know what's happened here. Alright. Here we go. My voice hasn't changed yet. Alright. So here we go. It has a weird flush. But I still love these toilets. 1.6 gallons per flush. Where? This is 1.2 right there. 1.28, 1.6 gallons. 1.6 gallons per flush. There's a great little test flush I can do here. This toilet saves a lot of water. Kohler and Wellworth. Okay. Alright, so Chris TV calling out all my subs. Alright, that's sending me a notification from YouTube. Alright, anyways, let's put the tank lid back on. Alright, so let's do this. Alright, let's do this. Alright, put that right there. Alright, so yeah, let's pause the video camera. Yep.